Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Håkan Samuelsson, President and CEO, Volvo Car Group.
It's really a historical milestone for our company today. I would officially declare the Richville plant open for business.
They are looking great. And who better to reveal the new S60 than the people who build the car?
To me, Volvo coming to Charleston is growth for our community. So on behalf of the C-Shop, I want to say thank you.
As a father of 2 small children, I'm very proud to work for Volvo Cars, building cars safer for our roads and a cleaner environment for our future generations.
To me, the importance of Volvo coming to Charleston is the diversity that's been brought to this area.
So this is a moment that I'm truly proud of and something that I'll remember for the rest of my life.
And now, we'd like to show you guys what we've built.
Milestone for Volvo, and with this factory Volvo is now truly global with 3 home markets and where the factories have their role in the global production system. So this factory makes Volvo stronger, and it's also the important foundation for our further growth.
We are delighted to call South Carolina the home of Volvo. The combination of Sweden and America and South Carolina is as strong as it gets.